We're back with the brilliant Meryl Streep, who was up for an Oscar for August Osage County, and you really can do anything. I mean, if you look at your roles across all the films that you've done, you're funny, you're sexy, you're dramatic, you're drunk, you're
I'm
everything.
boring.
You're not boring. You're never boring. So I thought I would prove it to everyone in case anyone questioned me on that. This is an oatmeal recipe, and I would like you to read it, but I would like you to read it sexy.
In a small saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Over medium-high heat, stir in oats. When oatmeal begins to thicken, reduce heat and simmer, stirring occasionally for 30 minutes. 30 minutes? Faster than at my house.
All right. This is a traffic report, but you're going to read it as a woman in labor.
Oh, my God.
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah.
A track report.
A traffic.
Traffic. Okay.
But you're in labor.
Let's take a look at your Tuesday drive. Heavy backup as usual on the 10 and the, oh my God, 710 into downtown. Okay, got a jackknife, big rig in the 2-lane. 101 westbound at Balboa. Oh, I wouldn't consider getting through there anytime soon. Oh, that's good.
One last one. This is Wikipedia, but you're reading it as an annoyed teenager. You've had one of those.
How can I pull that up? The first recorded instance of sandpaper was in the 13th century, mother. When crushed shells, seeds, and sand were bonded to parchment using natural gum. Okay?
August Osage County is in theaters now. We will be back with Vanessa Hudgens. That's Meryl Streep, everybody.